hope you all are fine. Today my topic is center tendency and the method is mode. I had already explained my previous videos center tendency, mean, median and mode. Our topic is mode. Let us see what is mode. It is the value which is most frequent. Most frequent जो बार बार आए. And again, this method is explained in three series: individual series, discrete series, and continuous series. It is very simple method to calculate the average. It is that particular value which occurs so many times. That means mode. And mode is denoted by Z. Now, let us see with individual series. The X is given here. The individuals number are here. We can say that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There are 7 numbers. Individual series is here. And we see just it is totally depend upon the observation. Observation पर ही depend है कि कैसा आएगा. 4, 7, 8, 6, 7, 9 and 3. By observation, we can see that this 7 number occurs 2 times. So this is the most frequent number. Hence, we can say that our answer is 7. Suppose the series is linger on. It is 6 again 7, 3. Now here we observe 3 occurs 2 times, but 7 occurs 3 times. Again, 7 is most frequent number. Hence, our mode is 7. Is it clear? I'll give you one more example. Suppose these numbers are here 23, 13, 47, 23, 19, 17. So the most frequent number is 23. Hence our mode is 23. Is that clear? Now let us see mode with discrete and continuous series. This is discrete series. In discrete series, there is accent number of that is called frequency. Now we see 48 value is given 4 times, 45 8 times, 56 3 times, 43 2 times, 42 6 times. It means the number 48 occurs 8 times. Hence here our answer is 45. Because 45 occurs 8 times. Is it clear? कि 8 बार 45 आया, 8 times 45 आया. Hence our mode is 45. Now we see under continuous series, we have to calculate mode. Continuous series means there are class intervals and this is the frequency. Now by observation we can see that 6 is the most frequent number. No doubt. It means 20 to 30, the number which occurs in between 20 to 30, the frequency is 6. Hence we can say that जो सबसे ज़्यादा है that is called F1, upper value is F0, lower value is 2. Clear? The highest frequent number F1, ऊपर वाला F0, again F2. Now the formula of mode is L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiply by class interval. बहुत आसान तरीका है इसे याद करने का. I would like to write it again. L1 plus, अब सबसे बड़ा है उसमें से एक छोटा माइनस कर दो, F1 minus F0. अब इस फिर बड़े को ट्वाइस कर देते हैं 2F1. अब दो चीजें माइनस कर दो, F0 minus F2 multiply by class interval. Now we have to put the value of all these figures. This is L1. L1 means in front of this highest frequency, L1 is 20. This is 20. F1 is 6 minus F0, that is 5. divided by 2f1. 2f1 means 6 into 2, 12 minus f0 minus f2. I had written here 4, but the actual value is 2. f2 is 2. It is not 4, it is 2. So now 12 minus 5 minus 2 multiply by 10. Now this is 20 plus 1 by, now it is 12 minus 7, it is 5. So 10 by 5. So we write here 22. This is mode. Clear? It now again I repeat this formula, very easy to calculate this formula. The formula is L1 plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 multiply by 1. आसान तरीका फिर से बता रही हूँ. f1 फर्स्ट को पहले लिखना है, उसमें से ऊपर वाला 0 माइनस कर दिया. अब f1 की पावर को ट्वाइस किया तो दो चीजें माइनस कर दी. क्या माइनस होगा? f0 एंड f2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय क्लास इंटरवल. I would like to give you one question and want to see your answer in the comment box. So please do this. It's very easy. 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30, and the frequency is 5, 7, 9, 2, 6, 4. Okay, we all write formula. आपको याद होगा? L1 plus highest frequency, that is f1 minus f0. This is f1, f0 मैंने बताने वाली आपको 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 multiply by class interval. So please calculate this question and I would like to see your answer in the comment box. Nice bache? Okay, we will revise this. One of the easiest method to calculate center tendency, that is called mode, and under individual series, discrete series and continuous series we can easily calculate mode. The most frequent number is called mode. Under individual series, which number is frequent 2 times, that is 7, so we can say that 7 is the mode. Under discrete series, the highest frequency, or I can say that 45 repeated 8 times, so that's why 45 is mode. Under discrete series, for continuous series, because the numbers are in the continuous series, so that is next to be impossible to get mode into a particular numbers. So to find out the particular number, we have to apply this formula, L1 plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 multiplied by class interval. And this question is for you. So I hope clear by me this topic and you will get this. Okay, bye bye. All the best, bache.